Hi, good morning from Florence in Italy. Sorry, I haven't been here on a daily basis. I'm traveling with a small group of Chopra Foundation supporters all over Italy. We just spent a wonderful time in Rome visiting the Vatican. We did a private meditation in the Sistine Chapel, and we had the privilege of going to a papal mass conducted by Pope Francis. We are now in Florence, and I want to make a very special announcement as well as a request. Today, in many parts of the world where it is still Thursday, is what has come to become in America National Meditation Day. And that's absolutely wonderful because over the last few years, the Chopra Center, along with the help of Oprah Winfrey, has taught 6 million people meditation online and free of charge. So I just want to share with you what we are now suggesting. So first of all, thank you for all your messages, and I can see all the beautiful hearts that you are sending me. So if you can hear me clearly and you can see me clearly, keep sending those hearts, because then I know that you are there. So thank you for tuning in. As I said, it's National Meditation Day, and I have been practicing meditation now for 40 years, and the Chopra Center has taught, as I said, millions of people how to meditate. And my own personal story starts with the fact that when I was an intern and a resident in medicine, I was feeling a lot of stress, and I decided to quit smoking and also stop indulging in alcohol, and I started meditation, and it completely changed my life. As you know, meditation has many beneficial effects. On the level of biology, meditation reduces blood pressure, cuts down inflammation, increases the levels of telomerase, the enzyme that's responsible for regulating your biological clock. And as a result of this, meditation is very effective in slowing down the aging process and even reversing some of the biological markers of aging. But because meditation is a holistic practice, it changes our behavior. It makes us less likely to be imprisoned by addiction or what we call karmic constructs or past experiences. As a result of that, it opens us into the world of possibilities. It makes us embrace uncertainty. It gives us the experience of synchronicity or non-local correlation. It harnesses the powers of attention and intention. It enhances creativity and unconscious processing of information. I could go on and on. These are simply the biological and behavioral effects of meditation. But as we go deeper into meditation, meditation also has the effect of ultimately deconstructing all our assumed and provisional identities. So we move into higher states of consciousness, known in the great Vedantic tradition as soul consciousness, cosmic consciousness, divine consciousness, unity consciousness, and ultimately enlightenment. So these are the various benefits. Of course, it also increases our experience of love, compassion, joy, equanimity, peace of mind, and ultimately the loss of the fear of death. So what could be more important? And because of this, I am today announcing more in this series, and we are going to be offering a new free meditation so you can experience transformation as well. All you have to go is to go to the link below and sign up, and it's free of charge. And in case you can't see the link, it's chopracentermeditation.com, chopracentermeditation.com. And so please join us. The next meditation is about how to harness order and creativity, and how to be centered in the midst of today's chaotic world. So please join us, and you will benefit. You can follow me directly here on Facebook Live and elsewhere to get free notification of these meditations. And I'll be very grateful if we can collectively create and harness the power of collective consciousness through attention and intention, so we can create a more peaceful, joyful, sustainable, healthier world. And right now, the meditation that we are offering is very timely, because we are living in the midst of chaos and confusion in the world. And so we would like you to join this meditation and basically get in touch with the core of your being, which is non-local, and overcome chaos in order to create joy and harmony in your life. So please join us. The link is posted below, but you can also, as I said, go to chopracentermeditation.com. And I promise you, you will feel light and joyful. You will melt away your stresses and anxieties. You will move past the chaos and confusion and insanity of the world, and you will harness the powers of Dhyan, Dharana, Samadhi. Dhyan is meditation, Dharana is focused awareness and attention and intention, and Samadhi is transcendence. When you have the combination of these three, Dhyan, Dharana, Samadhi, then you are harnessing the infinite organizing power of intention coming from the field of all possibilities. So I cannot stress this enough. Now, of course, people all over the world have their favorite types of meditation. So some practice self-awareness and self-reflection, which is called Atma Darshan. Some practice what is called transcendence, as in mantra meditation. And also a lot of people practice that which is called mindful awareness of sensory experience, sound, touch, sight, taste and smell, mindful awareness of the body and its viscera, mindful awareness of mental space, and mindful awareness of the web of relationship with friends, with family, with professional colleagues, with the ecosystem of existence, including nature, and ultimately relationship with the entire universe. Who we are is the matrix of relationships, localizing as the body-mind world experience. So please join me and discover once again the secrets of lightness of being, the secret of joyful energetic body, the secret of a reflective alert mind, and the secret of non-resistance, where you can live in a world of possibilities, no resistance, no anticipation, no regrets, enjoying this moment, which is the window to timeless being. Okay, so the link is posted here, and otherwise do remember you can always go to Chopra Center Meditation.com. Once again, Chopra Center Meditation.com. Join me, and I'm very grateful that together we can hopefully create a more peaceful, just, sustainable, healthier, and joyful world. Okay, please join us. Chopra Center Meditation.com. All good wishes for your health and happiness from Firenze in Italy. Love.